FELDER K940S is one of the top panel saw models from FELDER, with a modern design, durable precision, extreme performance and maximum operating comfort. The large dimensioned saw aggregate makes it possible to use large diameter saw blades up to 400mm, and maximum power transfer is achieved regardless of which of the 3 speeds the saw is set at. The K940S comes with a choice of table lengths, from 2050 to 3700mm. A masterpiece of engineering, the FELDER exclusive X-Roll system delivers unparalleled smoothness and precision, with the X configuration of the roller bearings providing optimal weight distribution with no single point of contact, protecting the tracks from wear and ensuring play-free guidance. The X-Roll system is self-cleaning with 3-way dust protection and is backed by a 10-year factory guarantee. As an option, the sliding table can be equipped with a remote on switch for added convenience. The outrigger table can be configured with a number of options, including the Precision Mitre Guide Index and a choice of crosscut fences at different lengths, including the 3200mm telescopic version seen here. A further option is the digital crosscut stop for outstanding repeatable accuracy thanks to the fine adjustment and display. The blade height of the K940S can be set up to 133mm depending on the blade size, and the angle can be set from 0 to 45 degrees using the hand wheel with integrated dial indicator. Alternatively, you can upgrade your machine to include the power drive system for electronic adjustment of both height and angle via a control switch and fine adjustment button. Also available is a scoring unit that is both vertically and laterally adjustable. With the automatic option, the scoring blade automatically rises when turned on and sinks below the table when turned off. The K940S features an 800mm rip capacity as standard, which can be upgraded to 1250mm. Further options include a digital display for fine adjustment of the rip fence, as well as an automatic rip fence, which ensures repeated accuracy and saves valuable working time. Dado tool preparation is also available on this model. Changing the saw blade on the K940S is easy and safe, as the micro switch prevents the blade from starting while the cover is retracted. You can choose to upgrade to the quick lock system, which replaces the standard clamping flange with a screw that can be removed with just an Allen key. The optional Easy Lock system provides further convenience, allowing for tool-free blade changing. As standard on the K940S is the FELDER Overhead saw guard, which features an extraction port and provides the highest operating safety and maximum flexibility when processing large dimensioned workpieces. The FELDER K940S is a powerful and versatile panel saw, with an abundance of optional additions that will allow you to configure your machine to your exact requirements. To find out more about how the FELDER K940S can revolutionize your business, visit felder-group.co.uk.